Today we're back with another challenge and it looks like this. And without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. So today we're going to be doing CHICCO, but for beginners. Yeah, so if you're a beginner, this video is for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. And without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. So this is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirrored. So this is our first step. Yeah, and so our first step, you're gonna put your hands here, right here, and then you're gonna use your chest. Yeah, you're gonna use your chest, and then you're gonna pump out, and then you're gonna pump in, inside, and then your hands are gonna slightly go back like this. Yeah, so you're gonna go 1. Did you get it? Let's try that one more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1. And then your second movement, you're gonna put your hands on your chest while your chest goes out. So you're gonna go 2, and then you push inside. Did you get it? So let's try the movement, the 2 movements. So it's 1, chest movement out, 2. Did you get it? So it's gonna be CHICCO. Did you get it? That's 2 movement. And then our third movement is gonna be a wave of the hands. Yeah, so your hands is right, up, left, down, and then they're gonna cross each other, creating a wave going forward. Did you get it? So it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? So try and maintain the chest movement. So when you go 1, you go 2, and then you go 1, and then you go 2. Did you get it? Let's try that one more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, and then you go 2, and then you go 1, and then you go 2. Did you get it? Nice. Let's continue. This was our first step, and then our second step is going to be an African move. African move is called a network. Yeah. So usually a network, you use your left leg and then you move it to the side. So we're gonna do legs for basic, as basic for a start. Yeah. So you're gonna go 1, and then you're gonna go 2. You're gonna go 1, and then you're gonna go 2. You go 1, you go 2, you go 1, you go 2. Did you get it? After doing the 1, 2, 1, 2, try and crouch. So you crouch, and then let's try it crouched. So you go 1, and you go 2, you go 1, and you go 2. Now try and make sure that your body is going a little bit of like sideways. Yeah, crouched. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. You go crouch, you go crouch, you go crouch, you go crouch. Now we're gonna use the hands. The hands are gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3. Perfect. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3. Yeah. And then you're gonna clap twice. Yeah. So you're gonna go pa, pa. Let's try it from the network. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go ta, ta. And then our next move is going to be a step forward, but try it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go wave, you go wave, you go network. 1, you go 2, you go 3, and then you go clap. Yeah. And then after the clap, our next move is going to be the step forward there, and then you're gonna tap with your left leg back, and then you wanna tap back, you wanna tap here again. So your body is also moving back and forth. So the movement looks like this. You're gonna step right, tap left, step left, tap right. Perfect. We'll try that one more time. So you're gonna step right, tap back, tap left, step left, and then tap right. Yeah, and then our body movement is going forward and back. And then our hands are going to be crossing each other like this. This is how the movement will look. Yeah, so when you step, you go 1, 2, 3. There you go 1, 2, 3. There you go 1, 2, you go 3. There you go 1, you go 2, you go 3. Perfect. So we're gonna try and take it from the top, yeah, and up to the stepping move in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go Chico, ka, and so na mi Chico, 2, 3. You go Chico, da, da. Get it? So this is where we end. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Let's continue with our step 2. Our next move on step 2 is going to be a step left, and then you bring your hand back up. You step right, and then you bring your hand up. Perfect. Let's try that together in 5, 6, 7, 8. You step left, up, step right, up. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step left, up, step right, up. Right? Did you get it? We continue. You wanna cross, back, and down. And then you put your hands here. Did you get it? Let's try that one more time. So you're gonna cross, and then you cross, and then you cross, and then you put your hands down, and then put them on your head. Perfect. We try that very slowly. So we're gonna go 1, we go 2, and then we go 3, and then we go 4. 4 times. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that very slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4. And then we do our last move for today. Yeah, and then when we're here, we're gonna do a move that we've been doing on like most of my tutorials. If you watch the tutorials, you probably have it. So you're gonna wave your waist to the right, to the left, and then you wave to the right, wave to the left, wave to the right, wave to the left, wave to the right. So your bone on the right, you just push the left to the right. So this is how you're supposed to be, you see, and then push. If you want to use your hands, try and push your hip to the right, and then push to the left, push to the right, push to the left, and push to the right. That's how you do it. Let's try and run it until the end from here. In 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, and then you go 2, you go 3, and then you go 4, and then you do your move. Get it? Yeah? Perfect. So we're gonna try from the top on 0.5 speed. Yeah? In 5, 6, 7, 8. We go Chico, ka, eso, na, mi, Chico, ka. You go Chico, then ta, Chico, There we go. Chico, eso, na, mi, Chico. Perfect. Now we're gonna try it with 0.75 speed, which is a little bit higher, but which is not normal speed. Yeah, let's try it. In 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Chico, eso, na, mi, Chico, ta. You go. Chico, na, Chico, na, Chico. Perfect. Now we're gonna try it with normal speed. Yeah, let's go. In 5, 6, 7. We go Chico, That's on mi chico. There we go, chico. That's mi chico. Mi chico. Chico. Now, for the final, I'm gonna try with the music. Let's go. She got a mi chico, dance on mi chico, dance on mi chico, tonight we go chico. She got a mi chico, dance on mi chico, something chico, chico. Thank you so much if you watched the video until this end. And if you want to support my channel, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to support me so that I can continue making videos like this, my PayPal is in the description. You can donate whatever you want. Every penny is much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. Anyways, from me to you, peace.